Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
China's yuan crept higher against the dollar in thin holiday trading, with investors awaiting data due later this week to gauge the economic impact of Beijing's decision to dismantle its strict COVID-19 protocols earlier this month. The Canadian economy expanded 0.1% in October. Analysts point out the upward revision to September, and the modest growth in October-November leaves Q4 GDP tracking between 1% and 1.5%, which is above the Bank of Canada's October Monetary Policy Report forecast of 0.5%. Saudi Arabia and Japan signed a Memorandum of Cooperation in the fields of the circular carbon economy, carbon recycling, clean hydrogen and fuel ammonia, the Saudi Energy Ministry said. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 1530 GMT. Finland's Consumer Confidence at 0600 hours GMT. Finland's Industrial Confidence will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Industrial Production at 2350 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.